Pouring concrete into paper cups creates a stunning custom garden pot. Building a clever wooden plant stand adds life to the yard. Look at this amazing transformation from ruins to a gorgeous space. Concrete blocks and wood pieces build a clean, modern front yard. Wooden shipping pallets create an incredible outdoor seating lounge set. Stacking natural wooden logs together makes a stylish indoor seating couch. Wooden pallets transform a boring room into a cozy bed structure. Simple wooden boards come together to make a cute plant stool. Natural tree branches turn into unique rustic wall shelving units. Large stone slabs and white pebbles design a beautiful garden path.